back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Anitra's Latrice, and you always seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous curly goodness right here, and baby, she is a keeper. So if you are interested in seeing just how easy it was to put this unit on, stay tuned and I'll be back for my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Y'all already know what's about to come at you, so let's get into this gorgeousness right here. Do y'all see the curliness? Like, honey, these curls are absolutely amazing. Y'all cannot tell me that these curls don't look gorgeous on this unit. Like, this looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at that. You already know how Luv Me Hair does it, okay? They are all about the everyday woman, quick and easy put on and go type of units, honey. So let's get into it.
Keep your secret and your...
So this is her, y'all. Oh, she looks so cute. Like, y'all, I am really getting into these kinky curly units. Like, oh my god, it looks so good. I'm loving it. And with this unit, it has the 4C edges, so we're gonna get into it. But first, let us clip this hair back so we can get into this lace. Oh yeah, so let's get into this lace right here. Do y'all see the lace? Okay, so we're gonna get into it. We're gonna go ahead and cut it.
On your side, I can see through all the fake, but
so we have the lace cut. Now we're gonna get into these edges. I like the edges, but it's a little too much. So we are going to put a little mousse on the front of this unit.
You can trust to tell you when you messed up.
I'm gonna get my dimming brush and I'm just going to brush it out just a little bit in the front so it can be more to how my natural hairline is. My natural hairline is not that curly, so to lay our edges down, I'm going to use my wrap.
For me,
So I'll use my strap and we're just going to lay these edges down just for a moment. Now I'm going to swirl it just a little bit, not too much because I want it to be realistic. All right, so let's put this down.
yeah, keep it 100, tell you.
So while the lace is melting down, we're gonna get into these curls. Now you do have the option to wear it just like this right out of the box because it is really cute right out of the box. You really don't have to do anything but just cut the lace and go with this unit. So it looks very good. This unit is so full. It's so full and lightweight. It feels so amazing on. The wig cap fits really good. It doesn't fit too tight or too loose. It fits just right. But you know your girl is extra, and we want to see how this unit looks wet as well as dry. So let's get it wet, not soaking wet, but just damp. So let's do it. So this is how she looks. This side is wet, this is still dry, and she looks cute. She looks cute. She still looks thick, but she looks absolutely gorgeous. She looks gorgeous, and I haven't even put the mousse in. So let's go ahead and wet this side and then do the mousse.
You lie, though I knew the whole time. Why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this since you
So this is her all wet. I got her mousse down and she looks so cute. Like, look at those curls. Those curls look so juicy, so amazing. Like, this is so great hair already. So let's go ahead and take this wrap off so we can see how this lace and the edges are doing.
It's disaster in the making.
Look at that. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. I want to have it look more like my edges, and my edges are not this fluffy like this. So I don't have my hot comb, so we're just going to use this. First off, let me clip it back so it's hair out of the way. And we're just going to straighten out just this front part.
Enables weakness, and I don't think you could live differently. What's left for me?
Alright, so we just bumped it just a little bit. I didn't do a lot. Like, I'm not trying to have it straight. I just wanted to look more like my hairline. That's it right there. That's it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mousse on it.
Keep it 100. Tell you if you.
I'm just gonna put this wrap back on, and what we're gonna do while this is doing this thing, we are going to diffuse the curls, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts and details. All right, y'all. So we have diffused the curls, and look how fluffy it is. Like, oh my god, like, this looks so good. I am loving this, y'all. So cute. I'm loving it even more because it reminds me of my natural hair. So, oh my god, it is so cute. So let's take this wrap off and see these edges. Ooh, look at there. Okay, look at that. This is like it's coming out of my scalp, y'all. Look at that. Cute. This looks so cute. I love it. It looks like my hair if I would just take the time out and do what I need to do to grow it. But until the meantime, I'm gonna rock this unit because this looks so cute. Like, look at those curls. So fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Let me show you the back.
Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some.
Gorgeous is the word for this unit. We're gonna call her gorgeous because that's what she is. All right, so I got my little fluffy brush that I used earlier when I do my makeup, and we're just gonna do around the edges of the lace because we do not want no halo effect. So I'm just gonna tap it around the edges. Don't need too much, just enough to get the lace looking more like my skin, and boom. All right, y'all, so before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over some wig caps, a Luv Me Hair rat tail comb, a Luv Me Hair clip, and a Luv Me Hair scarf wrap, and a Luv Me Hair mesh drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this gorgeous unit. This is a 4C Kinky Curly Glueless 5x5 HD Lace Wig that's ready to go and 100% human hair. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. The color I'm wearing is a natural black, and you do have the option to dye this if you choose to. This unit also comes with adjustable straps and an adjustable band to help give you that glueless effect. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. The lace area is 5x5, so you do have the option to part it in the middle, the left, the right, or do a little C part as well. And like I said, this unit is 100% glueless. Great for beginners and perfect for the on-the-go everyday woman who just wants to look effortless and stylish at the same time without consuming all of her time. I am wearing this in the length 14 inches, but you do have the option to get it in 12 inches and 16 inches as well. You also can get this lace pre-cut at an additional cost. So what are you waiting for? Make your life so easy by getting you a Luv Me Hair, because you know switching it up is everything with a Luv Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this curly gorgeousness right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.